What's up, YouTube? Fearless CBR6 here. Sorry if I sniffle, I'm getting over being sick like a motherfucker. I'm going to meet with my boys today. We're gonna go do some dank Wheelies and other hooligan shit. I got this Icon variant Raiden edition or whatever. Here, let's see if you can see it. Hey, sexy motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, I've been sick for a fucking week. Had a really bad, if you follow me on Instagram, we had a really bad crash with the guy with that red Honda, my best friend. Fucked himself up. And Leor, the guy who does stunts. Yeah, ready to go. Last week I uploaded a wheelie video. So this one's gonna actually be a vlog, hopefully. I noticed with this mic that the fucking wind is horrible. I don't know if that was because the last helmet I had. We'll see today. Feels good out here. I hope it doesn't rain. It looks pretty shitty. Not used to a 600. I had that 1000 for so damn long. I gotta piss so fucking bad. Hopefully my camera angle's fucking good. I seem to not know how to fucking check the camera angle before I ride, and then the fucking shit's all fucked up, then I fix it and my camera dies. But today I'm meeting up with a couple people. RR Killer fucking needs to teach me how to fucking wheelie. The motherfucker knows how to fucking wheelie like a champ. Hopefully I have enough gas to get where I'm going. Oh, is that a police? That was fun.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fakes the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been fighting all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me